Hi, I am Paul, one of the plumbers from Maintracts Services. We have been serving London for over 40 years, repairing plumbing and heating systems. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a dripping tap. Today we'll be discussing this Frankie kitchen tap, which is a ceramic type cartridge. As you can see, this one is leaking. There are two types of taps commonly for domestic households: the ceramic type cartridge and the full turn tap type cartridge. To say, this is a club style head, and these are normally found on the full turn tap bodies. As you can see, this one just turns and turns. It keeps on turning until you get to the end. These ones you can also re-washer by undoing this little grub screw here with a Phillips screwdriver, and then going into your little box of goodies to try and find a suitable washer, and then you just find the like for like and fit it back onto here, and then reinsert the screw head. Today we're going to concentrate on repairing this specific Frankie kitchen mixer tap. This is a quarter turn tap with a ceramic cartridge, and these are very common kitchen sink taps across the UK. So here are a few tools you may find handy in repairing your kitchen tap. Two different types of channel locks, an adjustable spanner, a Phillips screwdriver, a flat-headed screwdriver, and a set of Allen keys. So before you attack trying to repair your kitchen sink tap, always try to find some localized isolation valves. So therefore, if it goes wrong, you still got operational taps around the house, so you can call in a professional to get this one fixed, but you can still use your toilet or take a bath or use a wash hand basin, etc. You would tend to find the isolation valves locally below the kitchen sink, which is a border fixed type of valve, a quarter turn left or right, that would then isolate the water locally. I am now going to try and demonstrate how this is done. You would need a flat headed screwdriver like so, placing it into the border fixed valve, which is now set at 12 and 6, which is on a quarter turn, like that, and that will isolate the water. As you can see, the water has magically turned off. Now you need to make sure you put your strainer wastes in, so no screws or no grubbins fall down here, because that would be a big mistake. You would then pull out the little sign, which can sometimes be a bit of a burden. Oh, there we go. With the little cold sign, that then just tells you this is the cold side of the tap which was dripping. Then you would get the adequate screwdriver, which is going to be a Phillips or a flathead, depending on what you have to hand. So I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver like so, and gently just turn the screw lefty-loosey. Always put the screw in a safe place where you know you're going to find it. I'm going to lay mine onto my kitchen towel just here. Then the head should just pop off like so. And there you have the cartridge. You would now need to get your adjustable screwdriver, which is just here. Set it to the correct size to get around the actual cartridge itself, and just gently putting this back till you get that movement, but sometimes just put your hand to stop it from hitting onto your nice worktop like so. Now I've got the movement, I can just keep on winding this one out. You may get a little bit of excess water once you get the cartridge out. Once it's loose enough, you can tend to do it with your hands and stuff, so I'm going to try now. Still a bit tight. Should be loose enough now. Yep. Maybe get yourself a little bit of kitchen towel just placed beneath it to catch the excess drops. Which there's quite a bit there. But yeah, just get a tea towel just to mop that bit up. Now here is the old ceramic cartridge. Now you may want to take it to your local plumbing merchants or screw fixer, try and get the replacement cartridge. Also, it's good to take the actual head with it so they can marry the head up onto the cartridge top like so. So we've been shopping, we've got the new cartridge to hand. So we're just going to repeat the process, but this time putting it back in. So just take it, put it into the tap housing, turn it in with your hand until you can't turn no further, and then get your grips to hand again, your friends, and then just tighten it up. Give it a good little tighten. Remember, righty-tighty, like so. Then you want to line up your head so it matches its neighbour. It looks about right, I believe. So that's off there, and that's off there. So that's perfect. Get the little grub screw again. This one has not been lost, which is great news. And get your Phillips screwdriver, and then just do that back up into the handle of the tap. So it's nice and tight, like so. And then get the cold sign with the magic C on it. Just push that back in to the handle. So that's nice and safe now. Then all what's left to do is turn the water back on, which you would need your flat-headed screwdriver once again. And then just beneath the sink, a quarter turn either way will turn it back on. There's one. And there is number two. As you can see, they're both set to midday and 6 o'clock. That's the way I always see it, so you know it's on. Then you should have running water and a drip-free tap. And there we go. Hold off, hot off, and not a drip in sight. Top tips, remember to always isolate the tap you tend to work on, and always have a good set of tools to hand to get the job done. If you have enjoyed this video and it has been of use, please subscribe to our channel and give it the big thumbs up.